Pharmacies in India run on slim margins. There are many items, stock moves fast, and even a small mistake can directly result in loss. Expiry losses are the biggest hidden cost for a pharmacy. Products sit on the shelf, and you often only discover them when they've already expired. Moreover, the pharmaceutical industry is a highly regulated business. Whether it's taxation, drug inspections, or compliance, maintaining proper records for everything is essential. Keeping control over cash flow, profits, and distributor payments is also. It is just as crucial for each pharmacy owner. However, the issue is that comprehending daily operations by manually examining each sales invoice, purchase invoice, and return is not practically feasible. This is precisely why business reports hold such significance. These reports provide the owner with an overview, allowing them to see the entire business picture clearly without scrutinizing every single bill. This enables them to make the right decisions with ease. With LocalWell Pharmacy Software, you get more than 64 business reports in just one click. You just need to record sales, purchases, and returns on time. The rest of the reports are generated automatically. So let's first look at the important business reports for retail pharmacies and start with how to create the expired and near expiry report. Here, you just need to set the date range, and as soon as you press F2, your report is ready. In this report, you can clearly see the products that are set to expire within the next 90 days. You can also identify which products have already expired, enabling you to timely remove them from stock and make an appropriate plan for returns or clearance with the distributor. Now let's talk about the slow-moving and fast-moving stock report. Here, you just have to click on fast-moving stock, and as soon as you press F2, the report for those products that are regularly selling is ready. Similarly, in the slow-moving stock section, you just press F2, and a report of those products that are only taking up shelf space and tying up money appears. Now let's talk about the Schedule H1 drug sales register. Set the date range, press F2, and the reports are ready. Useful for inspections. This report aims to simplify compliance. Schedule H1 for medicines with mandatory record keeping. Rather than writing them manually, they're automatically captured with sales. Now, let's discuss the sales register and profit and loss. This report's purpose isn't only to show sales. Instead, it focuses on explaining the real profit and loss on a daily basis, and for each invoice individually. This gives you clarity on which bills are profitable and which aren't. So first, we create the invoice-wise report. You just set the date range, press F2, and the report is ready. Now, we generate the report by date. Here, set the date range and press F2, and the report is ready and clear. Next is the payments register, which tracks all business payments. You can view reports by invoice, date, and user. And finally, there is the pending payment for distributors. This report aims to maintain complete control over outstanding payments. All the details about how much each distributor is owed and when the payment is due are clearly visible in one single place. As for you just need to set the date range, press F2, and the reports will be ready for you. After the report is generated without any confusion, you can simply click the Export Now button or to export it in your preferred format with just one click. Now that we have thoroughly reviewed the crucial reports on the retail pharmacy business, let us proceed to the distributor business report. This report plays a key role ensuring that distributor operations are smooth and well controlled. First, we have the report on opening, closing, and current stock. The main purpose of this report is, it clearly shows the distributor what the stock was at the start of the day, at the end of the day, what stock remains, and what the current stock position is. This easily avoids stock miscounts, mismatches, missing items, and inventory confusion. Next comes the pending payments for customers. The purpose of this report is, it clearly shows which retailer's payment is pending and how much is outstanding. This helps the distributor manage follow-ups and plan cash flow more effectively. Up next on the ledger is pending for the customer. The purpose of this report is to maintain a complete record of all transactions with each customer. Debits, credits, advances, or adjustments. Everything is clearly visible in one place, preventing disputes and confusion. Now let's talk about the GSTR on monthly report. The primary purpose of this report is to make GST compliance easy and error-free. Distributors don't need to check individual invoices because all outward sales data is automatically compiled in one place. Through this report, the distributor can extract ready-to-file monthly GST data, saving time, reducing manual errors, and making GST filing smooth and stress-free, and finally arriving at the product timeline or product statement. This report's purpose is tracking a product's full movement. It shows when it was bought, sold, which customer received it, and the date. This provides the distributor with a clear view of product performance and any issues. Once the report is generated, click the export icon or press F4 to export it. Export the report in your preferred format with just a single click. We hope this video has provided you with a thorough understanding of how crucial business reports are for a pharmacy. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you never miss a LocalWell video. Thank you very much.